Do you own a business and are currently looking for more ways to save on taxes? Roll with me while I fill you in on how to place your children on payroll the right way. If your business has already done over $50,000 in profit, you probably have already switched over to an S corporation. And now it's time to place your kiddos on payroll inside of the business. But when you place your children on payroll inside of the business, you'll come to learn that the IRS charges you 15.3% for all the salary that you're placing your children on payroll for. So this ends up biting some of the profits of your business. Instead of placing your children on payroll through the S Corp, we establish a new LLC. That's a management company. With a management company LLC, the IRS allows for us to place our children underneath payroll without paying any payroll taxes. So I could pay each child up to $13,850 for a total of $27,700 inside of the management company, LLC. Every time my S Corp pays my management company, LLC, my S Corporation records a management expense, reducing the tax liability inside of my S Corp at the exact same time. And this is how wealthy entrepreneurs are able to utilize LLCs to place their children on payroll. Comment below if you'll be utilizing this strategy.